Welcome back to TechWall, and today I'm going to do the review of the Sony Xperia Pro I. I stands for imaging, and this mobile was launched on 26th October 2021, and the phone comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 3840 by 1644 pixels and an aspect ratio of 21:9. Xperia Pro I comes with a 12GB of RAM. That's great. And the Sony Xperia Pro I runs Android 11, and it is powered by the 4500 mAh battery capacity, which is non-removable, and the Sony Xperia Pro I supports the proper fast charging. And when you talk about the camera, as far as camera is concerned, the Sony Xperia Pro I on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 12 megapixel primary camera with an f/2.0 aperture and a 12 megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture and a 12 megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture. The rear camera setup has a face detection out of focus, and it has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 8 megapixel sensor with an f/2.0 aperture, and the front camera is also having a feature which is called autofocus. And Sony Xperia Pro I is based on the Android 11 and packs 512GB of inbuilt storage, and that can be expanded via the micro SD card, and up to 1000GB or 1TB. You can upgrade, or you can just expand your storage using the micro SD. Sony Xperia Pro I is a dual SIM GSM and GSM mobile that accepts the nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Sony Xperia Pro I measures the 166 by 72 by 8.9mm height, width, thickness respectively, and weighs 211 grams. That's kind of heavy, but okay, we can hold it. It was launched in frosted black color, only one color. It bears a glass body. Connectivity options on the Sony Xperia Pro I include the Wi-Fi 802.11, A by B by G by N by AC, or AX you can say, and GPS, Bluetooth version 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G, and sensors on the phone include the fingerprint sensor. If you want more tech videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, family members or relatives about this channel and of course this video. So that's all. My name is Johns and this is TechWall signing off. Bye bye.